Jeremy the handyman here, and I just found a bird with a broken wing. And I think he's in this log right here. Oh, he's right there, baby Bowie. Y'all see that? His wing is messed up, huh, buddy? You gonna bite this shit out of me? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Hey, hey. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, hey, hey. It's okay. It's okay, boy. Hey, hey. It's okay. You're okay. Anyways, I'm thinking about keeping him and nursing him back to health. Oh, man. I'm not the best photographer for sure. But I don't want to keep scaring him. Alright, I'm going to go in for the graph. It's okay. It's okay. You're okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Yeah. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Too scared to grab him. Oh my god, this is pathetic. It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. I don't want to stress him out because I know birds can die just from too much stress. So we're gonna end it here. I'm gonna let him calm down. At least try and get some water for him or something. It's okay. It's okay.